YouTubes, welcome back, Haunt Fam. So today we just left Menards, had an awesome freaking score there, lots of animatronics and stuff. It's still raining on my freaking face, so I've run down the street and we were at Lowe's. Lowe's has a Freddy this year, supposedly an animated Michael Myers. We're about to roll up on Lowe's and see if they've got anything for us today. Let's roll. All right, we're in. Looks like they've got an animated scary girl with doll. She must not be here yet. They got a grave digger for $159 for Gravedigger. I think he was popular last year. They got Michael Myers pathway lights. Check these out. What do they do? Oh, he's actually here. Look at that. $239. So we got life-size Mike. He's not out yet though. All right, that's obnoxious. Thank you so much. Okay. More of the same, and they've got a little mini version for 25 bucks. Let's see the mini version. Oh, same music as the other ones except for these blank. Alright, so we've got Creepy Girl, Life-Size Creepy Boy, 50 bucks. And they're both down here. They're small, okay. So they do got two life-size Michael Myers. He's just about 6 foot tall. Looks like they've got Jason. He's 35 bucks. That's cool. Alright, looks like life-size Jason, gone. $239. Life-size Freddy, gone. Alright, what does Freddy do? That's pretty cool. Oh, they got Jason lights. 25. Same music, just minis. What is this? The Freddy Krueger. What is that? Short circuit projection? So it's an LED projection. I got Freddy lights. 25 again. Oh, same music. Okay. Alright, Freddy. So we've got curtain lights, 20 bucks. Fog juice. What is this down here? Oh, they got a tree for $119, 61 inches height, so a little over 5 foot. Haunted tree. These little black plastic trees, I guess you hang your stuff on. Let's see. Looks like a crappy jumping spider. They got the bowl back this year. Oh, it's in green. Last year was in blue, I believe, last couple of years. He's 20 bucks. Looks like they got a lot of more space for stuff coming. They got a blow mold tombstone. Looks like it's weighted at the bottom, 24 inches. So he's not real bad. Kind of old school. He plugs in the back. He's got some weight in him, so not too bad. All right. Home. Getting ready to kick Home Depot's ass. A little resin pumpkin with bats, 20 bucks. Let's see. Freight This Way. Some kind of illuminated luminaries. Oh, spider projection. 25, 24 for ghosts. So they're getting some stuff in, man. Here's these little guys, blow molded pumpkin. So look at the face on that guy. And again, he's a plug-in. He's a little bit flat, as you can see. Pretty cool. And of course, they got Jack Skellington. Always with the Nightmare Before Christmas. Lighted Jack is 29 bucks. They got a Jack Tree. Jack Tree is 69. He plays and blinks. We got a Jack Tombstone. No, he's a lamppost? What is that? He's $109. It's a 5 foot lamppost. Wow, that's not out yet either. So they don't have anything actually out on the floor yet. They got all the little blow molds for 26 bucks. Little Jack, little Sally, little Oogie Boogie. He's 26 bucks. Wasn't this out last year? The little lantern turns purple. Okay. We got a whole section of Nightmare Before Christmas. Looks like blow-ups, inflatables. $139 for 7 foot Jack and Sally by the mountain. That must be that big box. Well, they got a big Jack head down here. They got a wreath. The wreath is 35. Oh, they got more candy corn blow-ups. No, that's just a little ghost. Okay, so they're kind of bringing back the vintage blow-ups. Plug it in the back. 24 inches tall. He's 39 bucks. Oh, he's rocking. Okay, then we got another one back there. That's $29 for that one. whole bunch of stuff missing on this shelf, which is probably their inflatables. I'll just scan the inflatables for you guys. Vampire, ghosts, cats, trees. Boba Fett. Mickey and Minnie, I guess. Okay, Cheshire Cat, check. Gizmo, Michael Myers, cartoon, Chucky. And then all these guys. Giant spider, pumpkins. That one's pretty cool for $59. Alright guys, I don't see much else. I'm going to come back in maybe a week or so. Maybe they'll have some demos out of the Michael Myers and Freddy. I'm sure everybody would like to see those. So we're going to keep shopping all summer. We'll bounce back in a week or so and check and see what they got. So see you guys in the next one.